You how to exclude specific companies from a Sales Navigator search. Why is the need for something like this? Because sometimes the client says, hey, I'm already working with a specific client, or I don't want to reach out to a specific company. So how do we do that? The Sales Navigator allows us to search by companies, current companies that people work in, past companies, current or past, past or current, but does not allow us to exclude any companies. So how do we do it? We use search operators and the specific search operator called not. So if you can see here, I have results from hot, from WalkMe. So if I wanted, for example, to exclude WalkMe, I would essentially add the operator not to the company area. So you can see here, I've added not WalkMe, and the WalkMe result person is not appearing. If I wanted to add a couple of companies, for example, if I wanted to exclude hot as well, then I would do not, and then parenthesis, and open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and I would add the two companies within those parentheses. And now you can see that neither hot or WalkMe results are showing in my results, and this is how I can avoid reaching out to those people by mistake. And that's the tutorial for today, how to avoid reaching out to companies that you don't want to reach out to, or using Sales Navigator search operator not.